What's up, bro? It's the bro show. Hey. The show where we talk about money, bros, money,
And chicks, bro.
partying, bro. Party, 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 party. Hey.
Hey, good one, good one. Quarantine times, yes.
Chicks, chicks.
Chicks. Good one, bro. Good one. Yes, yes. So today it's another special episode for the quarantining time for everyone. We're going to how to have good broji.
Oh, yeah, you got to keep clean, huh? For the ladies.
Quarantining with the ladies.
Hello, ladies.
Hello. Okay. So right now we're going to teach you how to clean your mustache and your sunglasses. Okay, ready? This is how you do it.
Like this.
Okay, like this, and then a little bit like this. You wash it. Yeah, very good.
Hey. Put. Nice, bro.
Careful, bro, careful. It doesn't get to your eyes. Okay.
Squeaky clean. Oh, bro, we forgot the most important part. The chest hair.
Oh, yeah. No, bro. Why don't you just take a shower, bro?
Oh, bro, you know I don't like to take showers. Unless the tooth is twisted.
I'm talking about my
Okay, bro, tell them about the Starbucks.
Okay, yeah. This is how you clean your Starbucks cup. Okay, This is how you do it. Mama, can you clean my Starbucks cup for me?
Yeah,
Nice.
Hey, bro. Hey, bro. Can your sister clean my cup?
No, bro. What did I tell you? I'm not talking about my sister like that. No, come on, man. I can't believe it. You made it. I'm hanging up now. Bye.